Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to embed HTML in Notion. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So as you can see there, I have Notion opened and I have my dashboard right here. Just the default dashboard, and what you have to do to embed HTML. You want to hit the plug icon, type in embedded, hit the first one, and here you want to paste it the code. So just paste your HTML code and then hit the link. So I should like 5 seconds to come up, and as you can see, this was the HTML code that I uploaded or that I integrated right now, and this is how it looks. So this is really cool. You can do this basically any HTML code file out here, and this is how it turns out when you integrate it. So this is the way how you can embed HTML in Notion. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.